of a sudden I just fall back. I get a notice on my phone that I don't have a YouTube page anymore. It's been deactivated. I have been meaning to go live and tell you all about what happened to me. My YouTube page got deleted. It got canceled, removed by YouTube. Yes, this was recent. I don't know why. I've never gotten any community violations, anything. So I was very shocked. This is my experience of getting my YouTube page removed and getting it back. Thank goodness. I'm on this call and all of a sudden I just fall back. I get a notice on my phone that I don't have a YouTube page anymore. It's been deactivated. And I'm like, this is spam. I've never gotten a copyright. I've never gotten a community violation, nothing. So I'm thinking somebody's, a lot of stuff come through. And then I look at my email. The email pops up. And I got 2 of them saying your YouTube account has been deactivated. I'm like, well, maybe this is real. Let me go check on this. So I turn my volume down because I need to concentrate because now I'm panicking. I am just like freaking out, as I'm sure you would be too. So I have a couple YouTube pages and the first one pops up. I'm like, okay, it's all good. I said, let me check my other one. Check my other one. And y'all, it no longer exists. The YouTube page no longer exists. I'm freaking out. So I go back through the emails and I'm like, it says you can appeal. This is how, but when you're anxious and you're stressed out, you're not thinking logically. You are just, my mind was all over the place. I'm thinking, oh no, I was so close. I'm just gonna give up on my YouTube dreams. And I felt like, how did this happen? I never got a violation. This thing I seen that people say they don't get them back. I don't know. I don't know what happened. I really don't. So I go through, before I do my appeal, I start doing my own audit of my page to see, did I miss something? Had I got, what in the world? What? And I'm thinking, I read the community guidelines again. I'm like, maybe something changed. But I'm like, I only make content about radiology and my day in the life and things that I do, like making cereal, making oatmeal, making smoothies, and wearing scrubs, and career tips and radiology. Like nothing. I don't even talk about diagnoses and illnesses and stuff. Like I don't know what happened. And it was really scary because I have a goal of really building a professional YouTube page, community of people that can come to my page and learn all about medical imaging and radiology. And I feel like I was doing that and it was snatched right away from me. And I literally wanted to cry, y'all. I was this close to tears. But I just was like, you know what? Just appeal. I'm watching all these videos of other people saying that you're not going to get it back. Just start a new channel. So I'm already ready to start a new channel. And then I finally went back to my group and I was like, you guys had, and they were like, yeah. Have you, and I asked them, had you all ever experienced YouTube pages being deactivated? And they're like, what? Yours? Like, all you talk about is radiology. Like, they were even like clueless as to how that happened. And I said, I don't know. And I'm like, I'm literally on the video falling back like this because I'm stressed out. And they're like, just breathe. They're trying to talk me through this, y'all, because I'm stressing out. Rightfully so, because I knew I hadn't done anything wrong. And I may not get my channel back. I'm working so hard to get monetized because I really put my heart and soul into my videos, the creation of them, on my breaks at work, after work, editing everything. I'm a solo content creator. I don't have anyone helping me do this. And I work and I have a family. I'm just trying to be monetized. I love YouTube. I've been using YouTube from when it started. That's how I started gardening, was YouTube. Like, I learned so much from YouTube that I was just like, I guess I'm not going to have this monetization dream. The rug has been pulled from under me. And they were like, just hit the appeal button. So I did do what YouTube said, was hit this appeal button and tell us, your side of the story. Other platforms that has happened to me, and I've never been deactivated on other platforms, but I've had a community violation over on TikTok and I appealed it. It was so wrong. And nobody ever responded, and like there's no resolution over there. But y'all, let me tell you about YouTube. I think real people actually work at YouTube. And everybody in my group was like, you got a better chance at YouTube getting your page back because real people actually answer things. And that is what happened. And I just appealed and I just broke it down, just like I broke it down to y'all now. You know, what my page is about. All radiology, lifestyle of a radiology technologist. I just make smoothies. Y'all, I don't even talk about medical things. So I don't know what happened, but that was maybe at like 6:30, and then at 8 o'clock I got my page back. 8 o'clock, and they apologized. The response from YouTube made me say, I am getting monetized. I love YouTube. I am sticking with YouTube, because they came back with we make mistakes. We get it wrong sometimes, but we want to get it right. It is obvious your page has never had any violations. It's obvious your page is about what you're saying. You are really giving, you know, what YouTube is all about. I was like, oh, this is a real person responding. And I got my page back. So don't give up on your YouTube dreams, y'all. Get the content out there. When something isn't right, hopefully it could be, when something isn't right, it can, if you're wronged, hopefully you can get it righted, if that's a word, I don't know. But in my case, thank you, YouTube, for helping me get my page back and seeing through whatever was happening and helping me continue on my YouTube journey. And you guys, thank you for supporting. Hopefully this was helpful for someone. If that happens to you, follow the steps that YouTube gives you. Make sure you educate yourself on the community guidelines so you can appeal properly. And that's all I got to say. So I'm going to end this here and keep watching. Be sure to subscribe. And thank you guys very much.